This video, I'm going to show you how to convert images on your iPhone to PDF. So to do this, make sure the images you want to convert are saved your photos. Then open your photos. Select the image or the images you want to save as PDF. If it's just one picture, select just one picture. If there are many pictures, then go ahead and select as many pictures as you want. When you're done selecting, click on the share icon right here and scroll down until you find the print option and click on it. We can see our images here arranged in different pages. Click on the share icon again and we can see here creating PDF. Your PDF has been created. You can just share this to yourself, email it to yourself, or you can save this to files. So they're going to ask me on which directory I want to save this, and I'm just going to save it on my iPhone. So let's open up our files and check for our PDF. So this is my iPhone and the PDF I just created is right here. As you can see, my images are arranged in a PDF file format. And I can share this PDF by clicking on the share icon right here. You can also long press on this image and click on get info to see the kind of document. As we can see here, it is a PDF document.